Prep work on the inner wing here. Getting some paint off where there's going to be things that are spot welded on. So there's spot welds there. I think we're going to be able to get away with doing spot welds here. Spot welds there. And all the way along here onto the new wing. So this wing's off. Hopefully you can see here the spray up that we did while it was in position. So obviously that gives you the line there where the bulkhead goes, and yeah, you can see the shock mount area here, and this is where the shelf is. So we can figure out from that where to take off the paint. Small repairs needed before we can put this inner wing back on, or Flitch panel, to this top of this closing panel. The rest of it's pretty good. All this down here is really good. Just that section there. So I whipped out the old piece, which is disappeared. Here it is. Which is there. So you can see that was all basically rust and disappeared. So just recreating that piece out of metal. I need to get it welded in there. Jump back when we got the welder going. Right, a little bit of paint on, protect that on this side here. Looks like I've done a terrible job here, but this was the original welding here, and I just didn't think it looked that well connected, so I added a few bits along here. And then this is the back side of my patch where there was a little bit of lack of penetration because it's such thin metal. I just added some on this side as well, just to strengthen it up a bit. But that's all closed in, so I'm not getting in there and grinding it back and making it all weak again. It's very thin metal. Okay, so could be time to weld. I think this is pretty much bang on now. Taking all the paint off, I think, where I need to. Got everything lined up, pretty much perfect. You in there. So just taking your time, really. I think if I'd had a bit more experience, I would know that that looked like that. I'm hoping that's right. Almost a perfect square there. Pretty sure this doesn't come up to the top of the dash rail there, so I think we're good with that. That looks good to me. Hopefully, see, that's basically flush in there where there's a tag on the oh, let's call it door stay. Just in there you can see it's almost coming up flush to the hole, and the same with the one that comes down from the top. It's actually very slightly below, only about 1 millimeter, but I can't see how that can go on any higher up. If you look at, that's completely flush there. So not many other positions this panel can really go in. Quite tight everywhere. There's a little bit of daylight through here, which will make that welding that there not the easiest, just there. So we're gonna have to knock that up somehow, or put some screws through. But otherwise, pretty tight round. I'll show you what I'm talking about with this here on the other side. I didn't make a note on this side before I took things apart, but there you can see that the tag on the inside is, on this one, is actually 1 millimeter, or well, 2 to 3 millimeters actually raised up, and then if I put my finger under there, it's about 1 millimeter or 2 above. So there's another one of these tags that comes down, but relatively pleased with how that's fitting over there. And obviously punch the holes up there, so we can weld that. This up here is sort of seam weld. I would show you on this side, but this side's a complete mess, so I don't know, we might have to remake a load of this panel, but we'll come to that. But there you go, I think those ones up there are original, some seam welds that just hold it on. So I'll be replicating something like that on the other side. Right, next up, welding. That's that line there. I couldn't get them to take over here, so I don't know if that's a paint thing or whether that's because that join is not this is sort of at an angle here, whereas this panel's flat, so it's only really touching right along the edge. So what we'll have to do is see if we can do anything with the hammer to that edge. Show you on what I mean on this one. See, it's at this angle, this is on that plane, whereas the metal that we're welding against is on this plane, so they're only touching along the very edge. Okay, so we've learnt in here, having run up and down with the spot welder and then again holding the spot welder on for ages, that it's still not enough. So the combination of this much thicker bracket and this extra plate in the middle just means that the spot welder can't actually melt the metal. So I'm going to have to drill some holes. Actually no, I won't drill holes. What I'll do is I'll seam weld down here, or short seams, doesn't have to be a complete length. So we'll do that next. I did, however, manage to get some functional spot welds on here, because this is just single skin, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One in there, hopefully not in the way of the block that will go on behind the two nuts. Don't think it is in the way. A couple of little bits I need to deal with. I need to drill some holes along here because I forgot, and obviously this is welded in here now, so I'm just gonna have to drill them from the outside using a little drill bit, and then, or maybe a spot weld drill bit, just to get through this first layer, so we can plug weld that. Up here I did want to use the spot welder across here onto there and onto there, but if we look round on the inside of the car, there's a bit of a gap here where the two flanges are not parallel, so even though we've got it tight all the way up here, actually it then separates slightly. So I've drilled from this side, and then I'm just having to panel beat this back, and also so using the rounded end of the hammer here, and then I'm trying to panel beat it this side using a screwdriver blade sort of further into the joint. You probably see where I've got some marks there, and I've been trying to hit it just to close that up. Anyway, not to worry, we'll just plug weld these, probably be nice and strong. Yeah, so just carrying on. Right, there we go. Don't need to take them too far back. Also, because we've had to slightly hammer the panel in, we'll never be able to grind them too flush. So one more bit done. Cheers.